Your second option is to follow Mondrian's idea of making rules to stick to, but to choose your own options. So, first, you're going to choose three colors. I think I'll go with secondary colors and do orange, green, and purple. You can use any type of geometric shapes you want. So, geometric shapes are kind of like math class shapes that have straight lines or regular edges. So, in addition to squares and rectangles, I could use circles, triangles, ovals. There's like some trapezoids and rhombuses in here. So, any type of geometric shape. And then you can use straight lines, but they can be diagonal. So, I've already made my white background. Now, I'm going to just pick a shape. Oh, these can also overlap instead of having to stick within a grid. So make this one purple. If you want to rotate it, you'll notice when it's selected, it makes a little bar with a dot at the top. You can just click on that and like drag it to the side. Let's see. I think I will give it a border still. Why not? All right, so I'm going to go, maybe I'll do a circle this time. So if you just drag it down, it'll make an ellipse. If you want it to be a perfect circle, just hold down the shift key and that will make it perfect. Although it's up to you. You could do an ellipse. That is a geometric shape as well. So I'm going to make this one green and I'm going to build some other shapes here. Let's see. So maybe I'll make this one orange. Now I'm going to start, doing some smaller ones. Maybe I'll add some lines in here. So I think I want to do a big diagonal line here. Make it go to the edge. I do want to rearrange it, so I'm just going to select my arrow key, and then you can just tap it on your keyboard or you can move it up. I want to change the thickness of that to 4. And I'm going to keep building. Do a couple more here before I run out of time. For a triangle, if you hold down the shift key, it makes it an equilateral triangle. If you don't, then you can stretch it and do it however you want to. Let's make that have a border. So let's say that you change your mind and you're thinking, oh man, I really wish this was behind. If you right click, it will bring up some options and you can go to order and send backward. That you sometimes have to click a few times because it will remember the order of all of them. So if I went all the way send to back, then it would be behind my rectangle. The other thing I can do, since that's taking a while, I can click on the circle, do order, bring forward, and there we go. Now it's in front of that triangle. So you do have the option of rearranging if you want to. Do some more lines here. I like it to be a little bit asymmetrical personally, meaning like if I folded it in half, it would not match up. So I don't think my lines have to, be exactly the same angle. There's no reason they have to be the same width either, as long as it looks like it's on purpose. So you probably wouldn't want to have just one thing that had a really skinny border and everything else to be a thick border. It's up to you. It's kind of nice to repeat shapes just to kind of get a balance. When you have things in more than one spot, it looks nice. You also could do like more than one, like I could do a brighter orange or a darker orange. If you click the custom button up here, it lets you get to more color options. So you're not limited to just like the default ones that are there. Another thing you can do is you can copy. So if you click on a layer, you can either right click and then select copy, or you can do Control C, and then to paste, you can do Control V. Then I easily and quickly have duplicated my shape. If I hold down the shift key, it will lock in that proportion, and I can move things around without like doing it from scratch. So that's kind of a nice way to do it. To save it, go to File, Download, and select JPEG. That is what you will turn in, is the JPEG.